Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2007 ECE paper and the topic is related to the electronics. Look at the diagram. The correct full wave rectifier circuit is, out of A, B, C, D options given, what will be the correct full wave rectifier circuit? Generally a rectifier converts AC into pulsating DC. So full wave rectifier is nothing but whenever you are applying an input signal as going to be alternating signal, at that time that will be converted into unidirectional DC. So the output will be treated in this way, full wave rectifier. So that implies nothing but this is V0 for the input voltage applied. If AC input voltage is applied, at that time it will be converted into pulsating DC, or it is also called as unidirectional DC. Okay, so this is the waveform. That implies nothing but V0 output voltage wherever you are going with. At that time, irrespective of the input voltage, current always flows in the same direction. The meaning is nothing but irrespective whether the input side is going to be positive half cycle or negative half cycle, the current always flows only in one direction, in the output side. That implies nothing but if it is positive side, current always flows in this direction only. Current should always flows in this direction. So this is the direction of current, it should flow in this direction. So which circuit is going to be giving this nature for the both positive half cycle and negative half cycle, we will examine. Okay, there must be a closed loop should be formed, and the current flowing through the output is going to be always in both half cycles, it has to be in the same direction. So look at the A direction circuit A. If you are applying positive half cycle, at that time positive half cycle is nothing but diode. This diode becomes forward bias, so that current flows in this direction. Okay, current flows in this direction, and afterwards this diode, whenever you are applying negative, this diode is going to be getting forward bias. Okay, so at that time current will flows in this direction, and the current flowing through output is going to be 0, because whenever the diode is forward bias, at that time it is acting as short circuit. That implies nothing but output current is going to be 0, so that V0 is equal to 0. Are you understanding this one? No current is flowing through load. Load implies nothing but assume that one there is a RL present. This is RL. So no current is flowing through this RL. Current flowing through this one is going to be 0. So that V0 is equal to 0. You are not getting any output. So that option A is wrong. Next, come for the option B. If you are applying positive half cycle, okay, and assume that one there is a resistor present which is nothing but RL, and over this point you are going with V plus V0. Okay, if you are applying positive half cycle plus minus, which diodes will be gets forward bias? Okay, and these two diodes will get forward bias. This diode and this diode will become forward bias. By that time, if you observe, the current always flows from positive to negative, so these are going to be act as reverse bias. That implies nothing but reverse bias diode act as open circuit. Reverse bias is acting as open circuit is nothing but no current flows through this open circuit diodes. So a current, even though it comes try to from positive terminal of the battery, but no current is flows, so that no current is going to be reaching from positive terminal to negative terminal. That is nothing but current flowing through this one is going to be 0. Whenever current flowing through is 0, at that time this will be also 0. So there is no loop is going to be getting from the positive terminal to negative terminal. You must get a loop such that while going through the loop there is a current should also flow through RL, that makes the output voltage. Okay, so in this case both diodes, upper diodes are under reverse bias, so that there is no chance of getting the current through both the diodes. So option B is also wrong. Come for the option C. If you are applying positive half cycle plus minus, at that time this diode is going to be under forward bias. Okay, and there is a resistor, think in this way, it is RL. Okay, next this diode is under forward bias. These two diodes are under forward bias. So these two diodes are under forward bias for the given positive half cycle. Whenever you are applying positive half cycle, these two diodes are going to be comes into forward bias, so that current will flow in this direction from positive towards, it is going in this way, and it cannot go in this direction, so it must go through RL. So the current is now flowing through RL, and it is going through this one, and it is going through this diode, and it will reach the negative terminal. That implies nothing but the current is taking a loop and it is passing through RL. Okay, so that you are going to be getting a positive half cycle for the V0 whenever you are applying positive input cycle. Next, we will think the same thing in a reverse manner. That is, now if you apply minus plus, what happens? Okay, this is if you apply negative half cycle of input voltage minus plus, at that time these two diodes will become forward bias. Okay, these two diodes comes into forward bias. Okay, and other two diodes will come into the reverse bias. So that, okay, we will go in a different manner. So now with respect to the C diagram, if you are applying minus plus, this is minus and it is plus, by that time this diode comes into forward bias. Okay, and this diode is also comes into forward bias. By that time current flows in this direction, and assume that one there is a resistor present at output RL. So now the current is flowing in this direction, going through this diode from P to N, and going through RL like this. Next it is going through this diode, it is going in this way, so that again it is from positive terminal to it is reaching negative terminal, and it is following a loop. And if you observe the current direction, this is same as the previous direction, that is current always flows in this direction, whether it is positive half cycle or negative half cycle. That implies nothing but you are getting one more half cycle due for the negative half of input cycle. You will get both are in the positive half cycles only you will get. Okay, so C is the right option. Similarly you can analyze D. Okay, and we'll complete this problem. So that this is plus minus. If you apply plus minus, so plus you are applying for these two things is nothing but this will be under reverse bias. Both the diodes are under reverse bias, and here these two diodes also under reverse bias. All four diodes are under reverse bias, so that output V0 is equal to 0. So D is also wrong option. So the right option, correct full wave rectifier circuit, is C. Thank you.